Hey friends, welcome back to HeyGen AI Lab. Today, I'm revealing the exact steps to turn any plain HeyGen project into a cinematic, scroll-stopping video fast. You'll learn how to nail the perfect background, drop in eye-catching text, add stunning media, and master pro-level animations and transitions. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have the exact formula to make every scene flow and make your viewers think, there's no way they made that themselves. Start. Click Background. You can choose from solid colors, stock images, or video clips. Want more control? Select Detach from Background to freely move or resize your visual elements. You can also set a background directly from the Media tab. Just pick an uploaded asset or a stock image. Right-click it and choose Set as Background. Need to add some text? Click Text at the top of the canvas to drop in titles, labels, or other on-screen elements. Customize the font, size, formatting, opacity, and alignment. Or upload your own brand font to keep everything on brand. Drag to reposition or resize your text anywhere on the canvas. Want more control? You can highlight multiple elements to align and group them. Perfect for staying organized as you design. To bring in media, open the Media tab to upload your own files or browse high-quality stock from Pexels and Getty images. Just drag and drop assets right into your scene. Looking to add a little extra personality? Head over to the Elements tab to add shapes, frames, stickers, or icons. If you're uploading your own media, go to My Library and hit Upload Now. Let's say you're starting with a simple scene, maybe just your avatar and some text. But to really showcase your message, you want to add a bit of movement and visual interest. That's where animations come in. With just a few clicks, you can control how elements appear, move, and exit your video. To get started, select any elements on the canvas, like text, an image, or your avatar. This will reveal animation markers in the script panel. These markers let you time exactly when the element should appear or disappear. Just drag them to the right point in your script to sync your visuals with your message. Then, choose how the element enters or exits. You can go for a simple fade, a zoom in or out, a slide in from any direction, or even a pop-in effect. Once selected, you can adjust the duration to make the movement feel faster or slower. Need a preview? Just hover over each animation style to see how it looks before applying it.
Hey, welcome
Now,
back to...
let's talk scene transitions, the connectors between each part of your video. They help guide your viewer smoothly from one scene to the next, making your video feel cohesive and intentional. To add a transition, hover over the space between two scenes in the timeline. From there, choose from options like crossfade for a smooth blend, slide for directional movement, or flow for something more dynamic. Once you've picked a style, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the duration and direction. And if you want a consistent feel across your entire video, click Apply to all scenes. For best results, make sure your scenes are visually distinct so the transition feels natural and clear. Let's get started. Templates are the fastest way to get started in HeyGen, whether you're creating ads, explainer videos, or training modules. There's a ready-made template waiting for you. From the home page, click Create Video and then choose Use a Template to start a new project. Already working on a video? No problem. You can still add a template slide right from the script panel or the timeline. Just click the plus scene button, then select Add from Template. HeyGen automatically shows templates that match your current aspect ratio. You can browse by use case to find something that fits your project's tone and purpose. If you've created custom templates, they'll show up under My Templates. Want a closer look? Just hover to preview the animations and click to see all the slides included in a template. Once you've found the one you like, click Add Scene to drop it into your video. From there, you can customize the template to match your brand. Change the colors, update the fonts, move elements around, or add your custom avatar. To create your own template, go back to the home page, head to the Templates section, and click Create Template. Once saved, it'll appear in My Templates and be ready for use in future projects. If this helped level up your video skills, hit subscribe and let's keep creating smarter with AI.